Imagine for a moment we're in the 19th century, sharing a cup of tea with the legendary naturalist Charles Darwin. We pose him a question, a notion unthinkable for his time. Mr. Darwin, what if we had the power to bring extinct species back to life? How would Darwin, the father of evolutionary theory, react to the concept of de-extinction? Now, before we delve into this hypothetical conversation, let's remember who Charles Darwin was. He was a man of science, curiosity, and reason. He believed in the process of natural selection, survival of the fittest, where species evolve over time to adapt to their environment. Extinction, to him, was a natural part of this process. So, if we brought the idea of de-extinction to him, how might he react? On one hand, Darwin might see the potential benefits of de-extinction. For instance, he might appreciate the scientific advancement it represents. It's a testament to how far we've come in understanding the building blocks of life. Furthermore, he might see it as a way to correct past mistakes, to give a second chance to species that we drove to extinction. There's also the potential to restore lost ecosystems. Darwin understood the intricate interplay between different species and their environments, so bringing back a keystone species could potentially restore balance to an ecosystem. However, on the other hand, Darwin might have some reservations. Firstly, he might question whether it's ethical to play God. After all, extinction is a natural process, part of the very evolution he studied. By reversing it, are we interfering with nature's course? Secondly, he might worry about the implications for existing species. Would resources be diverted from conserving endangered species to resurrecting extinct ones? After all, every dollar, every hour spent on de-extinction is one not spent on preventing extinction in the first place. Finally, he might ponder on the potential consequences. Could the resurrected species become invasive, disrupting current ecosystems? Or could they bring back extinct diseases? The ripple effects are unpredictable. So, what can we take away from this speculative conversation with Charles Darwin? Firstly, de-extinction represents a significant scientific advancement, a testament to our understanding of life. It could potentially correct past wrongs, giving a second chance to species we've driven to extinction, and may help restore lost ecosystems. However, it also raises several concerns. It questions the ethical implications of playing God and reversing a natural process. It could divert resources from conserving endangered species, and it could have unpredictable, potentially destructive consequences. In the end, whether Darwin would have championed de-extinction or cautioned against it, we can't say for certain.